Hi, it's Dr. Kathy Miller from Indiana University with one final thought for you after my trip to the San Antonio Breast Cancer Symposium. It was notable that almost every presenter took care to thank and acknowledge the participants who join our clinical trials. Without subjects being willing, we have no results, we make no progress. Those thanks are absolutely needed. But I also recognize that nearly all of those randomized trials did not provide a crossover, didn't provide a way for patients to access the experimental therapy after progression if they had been randomized to the control group. Now, in a few of those trials and a few of the study sites, the drug may have been approved and available for off-label use, but that was a minority of patients. In most studies, no more than 15% of patients were able to access crossover as part of their standard of care. And in many of those trials, they were conducted in regions of the world at study centers where that was simply not an option. The drug was not approved or available for any indication. If you stop and think about it, wouldn't a better way to acknowledge the participants who join us in these critical clinical trials be to provide for their care, to provide crossover? Primary endpoint for these trials was progression-free survival. It would not have harmed the primary endpoint by providing crossover. Now, there are many reasons why crossover might not be provided, but it's time for us to join with each other and with patient advocates to make a plea to our industry partners to provide the care rather than simply an acknowledgement from the podium. Love your thoughts on this or any other issue, and I'll be back with you again soon.